This video will show you how to set up and use the Feit Electric Smart Motion Sensor. This sensor can be mounted using the included screws or with the included double-sided tape. To install using the screws, flip the sensor upside down and slide the mounting base down until it releases. Align with the wall and mark off the screw positions with a pencil. If installing in drywall, insert the mounting anchors. Use the mounting screws to attach bracket to the wall. To install using the double-sided tape, flip the sensor upside down and slide the mounting base down until it releases. Attach the double-sided tape to the bottom of the mounting base. Clean the mounting area thoroughly, peel off the tape, and place the mounting base on a flat surface. Open the sensor battery compartment by turning the lid counterclockwise until you hear a click. Insert the included battery or remove tag if battery is already present. Turn on the sensor by pressing the reset button. Then, connect to the Feit Electric app. Replace the lid and turn clockwise until you hear a click. Attach the sensor to the mounting base, then slide it to lock in place. When the LED indicator is rapidly blinking blue, you are ready to connect. If your indicator is not blinking blue, press and hold the reset button at least 10 seconds. Setup. Connect to your smart device by choosing Location and Add Device or Plus in the upper right corner. Select device type. Choose Controls and Sensors and Motion Sensor. You will be prompted to enter the password for your Wi-Fi network. Press and hold down Reset until the light blinks rapidly. The sensor will then start connecting. Alternatively, you can choose to connect the sensor using AP mode. In the Add Device menu, select AP mode at the upper right corner. Press and hold down Reset until sensor is slowly blinking blue. Make sure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz network. Enter your network password. A new screen to connect your mobile device to the Wi-Fi hotspot will appear. Press Go Connect. Choose the network name starting with Smart Life, then return to the Feit Electric app. This will begin the connection progress wheel. Wait for the wheel to reach 100% until you see a screen confirming the device was added successfully. To learn more about app features, visit feit.com for the latest information.